Soursop Leaves, Nature's Hidden Healer, the Herbal Code 411. Welcome to the Herbal Code 411, where we dig deep into the roots of nature to uncover the healing secrets of the plant world. Our mission? To bridge ancient wisdom and modern science, empowering you with natural remedies backed by research, stories, and a dash of DIY magic. Today we're turning our lens on a tropical gem with a mysterious past and a powerful future, Soursop Leaves. Known also as Graviola or Annona muricata, soursop has been a staple in Caribbean, Central, and South American folk medicine for centuries. The fruit may steal the show with its tangy flavor, but it's the leaves that have been quietly used in teas, poultices, and infusions to treat everything from fever to insomnia. But what does science say about this leafy legend? Let's break it down. Antioxidant protection. Rich in polyphenols and acetogenins, soursop leaves help fight oxidative stress, shielding your cells from damage. Anti-inflammatory properties. Animal studies show significant inflammation reduction, which might help relieve joint pain or swelling. Antimicrobial activity. Research published in the Journal of Medicinal Plants Research found that soursop extracts were effective against common bacterial strains and fungi. Blood sugar regulation. In lab settings, soursop leaf extract has shown the potential to improve insulin sensitivity, especially promising for those managing type 2 diabetes. Potential for cancer treatment. Early studies, like one in Cancer Letters, indicate that soursop leaf extract may suppress the growth of certain cancer cells by disrupting their energy production. Lowers blood pressure. Alkaloids in the leaves help widen blood vessels, aiding in pressure control, particularly valuable in stress-prone lifestyles. Digestive aid, traditionally used to calm diarrhea, bloating, and even parasites. Hair and skin health. Topical uses of the leaf extract are gaining traction for treating acne, dandruff, and even promoting hair growth, thanks to its antimicrobial and antioxidant properties. But like any powerful herb, it's not for everyone. Pregnant or breastfeeding individuals should avoid soursop due to its potent bioactive compounds. And those with low blood pressure or taking medications for neurodegenerative disorders should use it with caution. Always consult your healthcare provider before starting any herbal routine. Natural doesn't always mean harmless. Here's a simple way to sip your way to wellness. Soursop leaf tea. Boil 3 to 5 dried soursop leaves in 2 cups of water. Let it simmer for 10-15 minutes. Strain, cool slightly, and enjoy up to twice a day. Add a bit of honey or lemon if you like a little zing with your zen. If you're curious to try soursop leaves for yourself, we've linked a few trusted, high-quality sources in the video description, because quality matters when you're working with nature's medicine cabinet. At the Herbal Code 411, we're here to guide, educate, and explore nature's formulas responsibly, respectfully, and with curiosity as our compass. If you enjoyed exploring the powerful benefits of soursop leaves with us today, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone, and don't forget to subscribe to the Herbal Code 411 for more plant-powered knowledge. We've got so much more coming because nature has a lot to say, and we're just getting started. Thanks for watching, and remember, nature has a code, and we are just here to decode it. See you in the next one.